In this demo, we are going to see how to create a reinstall BCM agent which can be installed on the device where the BCM agent is already installed. However, the installation or the agent is broken due to some reason and you want to reinstall the BCM agent on that device. So let's get started. Go to Wizards, go to Agent Rollout, select the action to perform for this rollout, select Reinstall from the drop-down box. In case you have a custom rollout server other than the default master server, please use this checkbox and change the rollout server. We are going with the default master server, so we'll click Next. Give a meaningful name to this rollout so that you will be able to identify the purpose of this rollout just by looking at the name. You can rename the executable file as well that is going to be created. And please make sure to enable the silent mode installation so that the end user will not be prompted with any message. Click Next. In case you want to assign a device, an existing device right from this screen, you will be able to select it using this icon. Or you want to do it later after the rollout is successfully created, you can do that as well. Select the administrator account which is configured in your environment. Click Finish. We have now successfully created the Reinstall Windows agent rollout, and the purpose of this rollout is to perform the BCM agent reinstallation on the target device where the BCM agent is already installed. One important thing, whenever you plan to reinstall the BCM agent on a relay or on the device that is configured as the OSD manager or network boot listener, please make sure to keep a backup of the data and the config folders. Those are two crucial folders. If you miss them from a device which is acting as an OSD manager or a relay, then it would be very difficult for us to recover or to reconfigure everything from scratch. And once this package is created, if you want to assign the individual devices on which the agent needs to be reinstalled, you will be able to assign it from the Targets tab. And if you have a list of devices in a group, you will be able to assign it from the Assign Groups option. Thank you for watching.